from you, and you have to put more questions on me. I want to start up with two or three questions. We are focusing on a healthy marine ecosystem. We are using fertilizer and all to maintain the uh, good, healthy marine system. It's obviously why we are focusing on a healthy marine system. Obviously, it's indirectly focusing on the species which is living in the marine system. So, if good marine health system is directly equivalent to the health status of the animals which is in the marine system. So what is my point is fish neoplasia. As of now, India, there is no research at all. We can figure out by the finger itself. Whatever the research in the aspect of fish oncology, it is like we can count with our finger itself. More than 25 publications, it seems, in India, I'm telling. My topic is somewhat connecting with how the fish neoplasia is correlating with pollution. There are previous uh, what we say publications are there, previous researchers are there, but in India it is still sparse. Okay, my topic is fish neoplasia as an indicator of marine ecosystem health, a collaborative approach with the Indian early career ocean professionals. And this is about the introduction. Toxic substances such as persistent organic pollutants, heavy metals, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, and microplastics have become pervasive in aquatic environments, severely impacting the health and survival of marine organisms. These contaminants transported via interconnected marine and atmospheric system and affect diverse habitat of the marine species. Among the emerging pathological link to the pollution is a neoplasia cancerous growth observed increasing in the wild fish population. Yeah. The pathogenesis involve mechanisms such as oxidative stress, DNA damage, endocrine disruption, and human suppression, and high tumor prevalence, especially in the liver, skin of the fishes from the polluted waters, highlights the neoplasia as a potential bioindicator for the polluted environment. And however, the etiology of the more than 50% fish oncogenicity are unknown. In India, rapidly industrialization, coastal regions facing significant contaminant risk, underscoring the need for local monitoring, engaging Indian early career ocean professionals in collaborative research and surveillance offers a vital strategy to integrate fish tumors studies into the national marine ecosystem conservation frameworks, contributing both scientific advancement and to the ecosystem reliance. And these are the objectives. Objective, we are focusing on the bio keystone species to specify the investigate cases of hypermelanosis in Solidae family as a potential bioindicator of pollution related outbreak areas, to investigate the gross histopathological and ultrastructural characteristics hypermelanosis associated with the dermal neoplasia in Solidae family, and using of SEM-TEM illustrate the tissue and the cellular alteration linked to the neoplastic pigmentation disorders. And these are the study areas which we are carried out. We are focusing on southeast coast of India, which is covered Rayapuram to Kanyakumari, which includes Pondicherry, Kadalur, Nagapattinam, Mandapam. These are the hub of rearing fish resources. So we chose this locations for the sampling sites. And these are the methodology. First, we have to design the study area and target species. We have some target species in our Indian ecosystem, Indian coastal region, which are very sensitive to the pollutions, like catfishes, which is in Aries maculatus, Aries gela, and some soul fishes, like Solidae family, which I talked about earlier, like Synaptura, albo maculata. These are the keystone species, which is indicating the very sensitive to the pollution. And see, these are the fish tumors. You may wonder about it. How fishes are getting tumors? How fishes are getting neoplasia? See, it is also vertebrate. Whatever the disease we are getting, it may also get. Some diseases are species specific, but this kind of diseases like tumor neoplasia, we are having oral neoplasm, which means oral tumor. Fishes also having. We are having epidermal papilloma. Fishes also having. Whatever the tumors we are facing, same kind of aspect, fishes also suffering. In one conference, the one professor is asking, okay, one fishes is suffering. What is the loss in for that? Even one fish's illness is considered is a value for marine biologist. there is something, some reason behind that. It is not one fishes. If we take a prevalence data, if we take a frequency of the infestation rate, among 10%, 2 to 4% of the fish populations is infecting by the tumor. It is directly or indirectly involving in the pollution aspect. You can see the multicolored cutaneous tumor, which is single-lobed, multi-lobed in the lower jaw, mandible, maxilla, in the tail. It is obviously, you can see, by seeing we can see this kind of things. But internal tumors also there. That kind of tumors we call as metastasis. That is the secondary growth of tumors. You can see the next upcoming slides. Yeah, you can see the